guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shrajita. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Sunday and I am about to start making lunch. So for today's lunch we are going to have rice, dal, shrimp curry and bindi, fried bindi. I already made dal. I'm going to make the shrimp curry and the fried bhindi now, and yeah, let's start today's vlog. I think it's gonna be a combined vlog. Let's see if we go somewhere today, then maybe not, but if not, then definitely it's gonna be a combined vlog. So now let's get in this video. I'll be making fried bhindi. So for that I put some oil in a pan. Then I'll add chopped onion and chopped green chilies into it and saute it for few minutes. Then I'm going to add the chopped bhindi, and I'll add turmeric powder and let it cook for a few minutes. After it gets cooked 80%, then I'll add the chopped tomatoes and cook it until the mixture is fully cooked. And I'm also going to add salt as well. Then at the end I'm going to cook it on high heat for 2-3 minutes so that some of the bhindis will get brown and it will get crunchy, and we like it that way. Now I'm going to fry the shrimps. I already added oil. Now I'm going to add the shrimps. I'm going to add salt and turmeric as well. Now in the same oil I add the grated onion. I don't have the blender right now, otherwise I'll add the
onion paste. Now after the onions gets brown, I am going to add chopped tomatoes and garlic, but here I have forgot to add garlic, though I'm going to add it later, but at this point you need to add the garlic as well. Then I'm going to add turmeric and little bit of coriander powder and salt and red chili powder as well. Then I'll add water for the curry, and after that I'll add the fried shrimp and boil it for 1 minute. Then at the end I'll add green chilies and garam masala and cover it. You can add green chilies before, but I have added at the end.
Hello guys, I wanted to share a thing that I got from Amazon. That is this reusable vegetable storage bags for my refrigerator, and these are reusable produce bags. This produce bags keeps your fruits and vegetables fresh for a longer time, and these are the washable one as well. After a few use you can wash it out and reuse it again. So yeah, it has 3 sizes. This one is the large one, this one is the medium one, and this one is the small one. So what happened in Arizona, when we used to shop for the vegetables in Indian store, we used to get the vegetables on a tray, so it was easy for me to store those in my refrigerator. I hope you have seen in some of my previous vlogs where I shared my grocery haul, and if not, I could find an image. I'll share that in here so that you could relate what I'm trying to say. But here it doesn't come with a tray. You have to buy the amount you want to buy for particular vegetables and keep it in a transparent plastic bag. Likewise you shop in an American grocery store, you know. So but you can't keep those vegetables in the plastic bag in a refrigerator, because plastic bags are not breathable, so that way your vegetables will gonna go bad very easily. So that's why I first thought of buying beans, small beans for each for every vegetables, but then I thought it will take more space in my fridge, and my fridge is not that big, and I keep my leftovers as well, so I keep more space for that. So that's why I opt for these bags. These bags see through, you can see from outside which vegetables we kept in which bag, and these are breathable one, reusable one, and I think it's very useful. So that's why I bought these bags. Now I'm going to show you guys how I kept the veggies in here, and I wanted to share this thing with you guys because maybe it will help some of you guys to organize your refrigerator as well. So yeah, now I already kept some of veggies in these bags. Here's the beans, here's the parval, here is the bitter melon, and here's the green chilies. So yeah, like that way I keep all my veggies now. Now I have to store these veggies and show you guys how I do it. I'll keep this and this together, and this as well. So yeah guys, that is all from my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. If you love to watch my videos and still didn't subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. That will be awesome. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, new video will get notification. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye guys.